Hello, good people. Dr. Rhodes here with a bit about phases of chiropractic care. So first of all, chiropractic care is about detecting and correcting subluxation, that's nervous system overload from stress, which causes your body to be somewhat devitalized and therefore not functioning properly and gathering damage that eventually causes pain and symptoms. So we're not going to treat the pain and symptoms. That's somebody else's job and they don't do it so well. We're going to get to the cause of the problem, which is to address the subluxation and let life force start showing up in the body again. So if we look at it in terms of 3 phases of care, we can say the first phase is bringing enough life energy back into the body that you get relief from the boo-boo you probably came in with. And yet the subluxation that caused it still has some pretty deep roots. So the second phase could be seen as healing the damage. First phase might be weeks to months. Second phase is generally like braces on teeth. It can be years before all the damage is cleaned up. And then beyond that, we could say, people say maintenance care, but it's not maintaining health. It's growing health by maintaining the body-brain connection by regular adjustments, because the stress that caused the subluxation in the first place is not going away. We're still alive. And then I thought, let me simplify the whole phases of care thing, because there's not like a cutoff day when one switches into the other. So we're going to make it 2 phases of care, like we've eliminated part of the problem already. The phase of care when you're getting better with chiropractic, because you're having regular chiropractic care, and that can go on indefinitely. You keep getting better, better, better. Or the phase of chiropractic care when you're not getting better, because you're not having chiropractic care. And then the stress starts to overwhelm you, starts sinking down again. Everything in nature, everything in the universe is changing from one thing to another, and our body has a chance to get better every day or a little deader every day. And the choice is yours. Choose chiropractic to go up. Thanks.